Hi and welcome to this Border0 demo. In this video, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to install your first Border0 connector. The connector acts as a bridge that connects users to their private environments via the Border0 network, simplifying secure and efficient access to internal resources. In the portal, we browse to the Connectors menu and select Add New Connector. I'm using Linux, so I'll select that and copy the instructions. I then simply paste the instructions into the terminal, and a few seconds later the connector is installed and available for use in the portal. Now that the connector is up and running, we can log in using its built-in SSH server. All we need is our single sign-on credentials. I'm using Google in this example, but Okta, Azure, or any other OpenID Connect or SAML provider are supported. As you can see, we now have shell access to the machine. That was easy. Next up, let's add another service to this connector. As you can see in this screenshot, we have quite a few socket types to choose from. Various database and compute services, either on-prem in AWS, GCP, or Azure, or desktop access using VNC or RDP. In this example, I'll use my newly installed connector to make one of our example SQL servers available. I'll select I'm just experimenting. This will pre-populate the necessary fields for our demo server and makes testing our new connector quick and easy. Now that the new service is available, we can connect to it using our single sign-on credentials. I'm using my browser in this example to demonstrate how easy it is. But don't worry, you can keep using any of your favorite database tools as well. Since this was all so easy, let's launch a second connector. For this example, I'll launch the new connector in Docker. Similar as before, simply select the platform, in this case Docker, and copy-paste the command in your terminal. This will start the Docker container, create the connector, and start it. The page will automatically refresh once the connector has registered. This typically takes only a few seconds, after which it is ready for use. In this quick demo, we saw how we can install the Border0 connector and how easy it is to make servers and databases available. We can now also quickly see exactly who logged in, when, and from where. Border0 gives administrators granular control and visibility, and engineers an easy way to access their infrastructure. As an administrator, you can even see who executed what database queries, or watch back a video of an SSH session. Getting started is easy, and we invite you to try it yourself. Sign up for your free Border0 account and introduce enhanced visibility and control into your environment today.